Okay. Can you find a shoe? Where's the shoe? Right. Do you know where the truck is?
Yeah.
Right. How about the car?
Go.
Right. Where's the apple?
Apple.
And where's the duck?
Cat.
Right. Where's the puppy? Where's the doggy?
Bobby.
Right. And where's the ball?
Ball.
There's the ball. Where's the flower? Do you see a flower? You know where it is. Show Mommy, it's right there. Flower. What's that?
Cat.
Right. Where's the shoes? Right. Next page. Next page. Huh? Having a drink? Say hi, Nanny. Say hi, Nanny. Let me move.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, Nana.
Nana.
Nana. We're gonna go see Nana soon? Hey? In a few weeks?
Nana.
Nana, yeah. Bye-bye.